Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to verify app integrity on iPhone iOS. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on General. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Profiles and Device Management. Step 4. Under the Enterprise App section, find the app that you want to verify and tap on it. Step 5. Tap on Verify app. Step 6. If prompted, enter your passcode or Touch ID to continue. Step 7. Wait for the verification process to complete. This may take a few moments depending on the size of the app and your connection speed. Step 8. Once verification is complete, you should see a message saying that the app is verified. You can now use it as normal, knowing that it has been verified by Apple and is safe to use. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.